We're doing mushroom, pineapple, and halloumi kebabs, and we're going to serve them with crispy tacos, crispy salad-filled tacos, and these mushrooms and onions are marinated in a combination of balsamic vinegar and soy sauce, and it's absolutely delicious. We're making mushroom, pineapple, and halloumi cheese kebabs. We are going to add a little onion into those kebabs as well. And we're going to serve them in a pita or a taco, a salad-filled pita or taco. And this is really a wonderful recipe. We're going to marinate the mushrooms in some soy sauce and some balsamic vinegar and brown sugar, which really brings out a lovely flavor of the mushrooms, and serving it with the salty halloumi and the sweet pineapple just brings out the flavors absolutely marvelously. Chop your mushrooms, about 200 grams of mushrooms. You can use a combination of white button mushrooms, you can use brown mushrooms, you can use any mushrooms that you prefer, and you're going to need a half an onion, and you're going to cut that in quarters so that you've got nice peels for your kebab. And now you're going to sprinkle on 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons and 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, and we are going to marinate that for about 20 minutes. Next, you're going to chop your pineapple, a half of pineapple, into bite-sized pieces sufficiently large to thread onto a kebab stick, and your halloumi cheese, you do exactly the same. Once your mushrooms and onions have marinated, thread the pineapple, halloumi cheese, mushrooms and onions onto skewer sticks alternatively, and lay them on a greased baking sheet. And we're now going to put a little bit of the marinade over those kebab sticks, and we're going to bake it in an oven until the halloumi is nicely browned and the mushrooms are tender.